See ya! Where's your shampoo? Can you dance in the rain? This is what you do in a Florida rainstorm.
Where's Isabel?
She's coming.